Whether you call them potato cakes or potato scallops, all I do know is they are absolutely delicious. What they are slices of potato that are dipped in a batter and then deep fried. A little bit of salt at the end. Oh, they are so good. I'm going to show you how to make them. This is plain flour, 1 cup of plain flour, some baking powder, a good pinch of salt. We'll mix that together. And to make sure we get a crisp, light batter, I use some soda water. Now we'll just slowly add that to the center and then keep whisking, bringing in the sides so we don't get any lumps. And what we're looking for is the consistency of thickened cream, just like a pancake batter. All right, for the potatoes, I'm using some Spud Lights. These are great, versatile potatoes. You can see they've got a nice thin skin, so I don't even bother peeling them. And what I've done is place them in some water, brought them up to the boil, and then cooked them for about 5 minutes until they're just tender. You don't want to overcook them because you want them to hold their shape. Now I'm going to cut them into 1 centimetre thick rounds. Perfect. Now I've preheated some oil, just vegetable oil, to 180 degrees, and we'll just dunk the potatoes into the batter. Allow some of the excess to drip and then very carefully place them in the hot oil. Now I'll continue making these. You want to cook them until they're really crisp on the outside and golden brown. Now that the potato scallops have come out of the oil, season it quite generously with salt. And now once they're cool enough, you've got to dig in and listen to this crunch. Oh, that right there, my friends, is a good potato scallop. So yummy.